are looking at Christmas craft idea that can make any home feel warm, cozy, and full of happiness. These are not just simple decoration, they are little memories that bring smiles to our faces and make the holiday season feel extra special. The best part is that many of these ideas are easy, affordable, and perfect for beginners. You can decorate your living room, bedroom, front door, or even make handmade gifts for your family and friends. Every craft has its own beauty. Some are made with wood, some with jute ribbons, pine cones, fabric, or small Christmas ornaments. When all these little things come together, they create something truly magical. You don't need expensive materials to make your home look beautiful. A little creativity, patience, and love can turn simple items into amazing decorations. Handmade decoration also make your home feel more personal because every piece has its own story. One wonderful thing about Christmas crafting is that it brings people together. You can enjoy making these decorations with your family, your children, or your friends. It is a great way to spend quality time without looking at phones or television. While creating something with your hands, you also create happy memories that stay with you for years, and sometimes the simplest decorations became the most meaningful because it was made with love. I hope this Christmas craft idea inspire you to decorate your home in your own unique style. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to create something beautiful. Add your favorite colors, lights, ribbons, or natural decorations and make every project your own. Thank you so much for watching, and it's a very amazing and very creative ideas. As you continue and watching, take a closer look at every little details. Notice how different textures, soft colors, and tiny decorative pieces work together to create a cozy Christmas atmosphere. Sometimes a small change like adding a ribbon, a bow, or a few lights can completely transform a simple decoration into something elegant and festive. These ideas are also perfect if you enjoy giving handmade gifts. A beautiful handmade decoration shows care, time, and love, and that make it much more special than something bought from a store. Even if you are trying this idea for this first time, don't worry about making everything perfect. The beauty of handmade craft is that every piece is unique. I always believe that Christmas is not only about decorating at home, it is about creating warm moments, sharing happiness, and making beautiful memories with the people we love. Every little decoration can remind us to slow down, enjoy the season, and appreciate the simple joys around us. Thank you once again for being part of this amazing journey. It's a very amazing, different idea than most people. Latest outstanding Christmas cozy craft collection. Before we finish, let this idea remind you that creativity has no limits. You don't need a big budget or professional tools to make something beautiful. Many amazing decorations begin with simple materials and a creative imagination. The most important ingredient is the love and care you put into every little detail. If you have a favorite decoration in this video, let me know in the comments. I always enjoy seeing which idea inspire you the most, and your suggestions also help me create new videos that you will enjoy watching in the future. Every Christmas season is a chance to make your home feel warm, peaceful, and welcoming. Whether you prefer a classic and red and green theme, a snowy white look, rustic wooden decorations, or elegant golden ornaments, every style has its own charm. Choose the one that makes you happy and decorate your home in a way that reflects your personality. I also want to say a heartfelt thank you to all my subscribers. Your support, kind words, and encouragement mean more than you know. Because of you, this channel is continues to grow every single day. I truly appreciate every like, every share, and every comment. Even if I cannot reply to everyone, please know that I read your messages and they always make me smile. Stay connected because many more creative Christmas craft ideas are coming soon. I will continue sharing unique, beautiful, and easy decoration inspiration to help make your holiday season even more special. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Wishing you peace, joy, love, and countless happy moments with your family and friends. Keep creating beautiful memories and keep smiling and never stop being creative. Happy Christmas, happy crafting, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to press the bell icon and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please must subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.